Here in Tuttle's Welding, we just like to have fun, but get the job done. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the basic gist of arc welding. What you're gonna need is your helmet.
Hold on, wait till they
gloves.
get out of
And of course, Tuttle talk to you. Follow me. I'll show you arc welding. These are the booths. It's pretty cool. This blue curtain protects your eyes from the arc flash. It's supposed to stay closed at all times when people are welding. Let's see what's behind it since no one's welding. This is the arc booth. You're gonna need your gloves when you weld. Just cause. Your helmet. Your arc helmet. That can be used for MIG, but another student's doing that video. You're gonna need your arc box. You're gonna need your arc electric plug, and you're gonna need your arc. And here, we got a student welding. But wait, he isn't properly dressed to weld.
Shut up, Zach.
Now he's ready to weld.
Now I'm ready to weld.
We gotta get some rod first. Let me show you where we get our rod. We got our rod over here. You got your arc. You got your gas rods. You got Omar's rod. We gotta get some rod, guys. Can you show me where I can get some rod for arc?
There.
Can you show me where I can get some rod
Out there.
for arc? Right here. We gotta get some metal too. Let me show you where we get our metal at. Come on. This is Sergio. Come on. So for arc, it's really hot, so you're not gonna want a thin little piece of metal like this, okay? You're gonna want something thick, like this. But this isn't the right kind of metal. This is aluminum. Now we're gonna get the right piece of metal. Come on. This is the right piece of metal. Now that we've got the right piece of metal, we can get to welding. Don't forget your helmet, gloves, and safety glasses.
In arc welding, there's lots of rods. Big rods, little rods, my rods, semi-big rods, and 70-18. Now that we have the proper safety equipment, we can weld. Now that you're in the booth, first thing you want to do is stack your metal.
Fire! Get out of the shop! Fire! Fire! 9.8 earthquake! Push the 911! Fire! I love welding!